make a vlog. My dad got a brand new set of, or I'm sorry, they're used Callaway Big Berthas, and I got stuck with the ladies, but it's all right. I got a couple good drivers. I'm not gonna show nobody. Come on, boy. Come on.
Leave these dogs right
Here, you want me to bring these upstairs?
I'll just leave them right there. I'll take them up.
All right.
Just leave them right here where I can grab them. Right there. There you go. And to keep them together. That's all Golden Bear and the bag. All right, you wanna? Here, I'll open this up. I gotta walk back to the back. Here's your sunglasses. That's right.
All right, I'll grab them.
I'll bring them.
Let the dogs out. I want to get them on the GoPro.
I don't want to tear it up. Let them back out. Is that what you said? Yeah, don't go in the house. I don't want it messed up. I just
All right.
cleaned it there.
I'm gonna come in. I want to walk inside for a second. Cool off. All right. About to get me a banana. Hey boys, look at these pretty dogs. Sit. Sit. Hey. Sit. 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 Lay. Lay. Sit. Lay. Good boy. Lay. Oh. You ain't gonna lay today, are you? You ain't gonna lay today. He ain't gonna lay today. He ain't gonna lay today. Cause I got 10 hours of overtime. You can't have it. You can't have this banana. All right, sit. No. Damn dogs is crazy over bananas. Hold on, I'm gonna have to end this. I'll be back.